So the first question is, I submitted my critical skills visa application in January 2022. Am I affected by the new list? The answer is no, you're not affected. So either you applied for permanent residence or for temporary residence in January. So before the cutoff, you're fine and should be processed according to the old list. Okay. And question number 2. Has the validity on duration of the critical skills visa changed? No, it has not. So it's still issued for up to 5 years, depending on the duration on validity of your passport as well as the employment contract. Okay. I currently hold a critical skills visa and I would like to renew it in 6 months' time. Do I fall under the new list? So the answer to this would be yes, you would. Okay, so you would have to comply with the new list for the renewals. Yeah. I have 5 years plus work experience, but my NQF level does not match the new requirements. What must I do? So that's very difficult to answer. So fact is, if you don't meet the new NQF levels, and they're quite high with most jobs on the new critical skills is requiring a level 8. If you don't meet it, then you don't meet the requirements for or potentially a renewal on new critical skills list. So critical skill visa. So that's unfortunate. One could maybe in certain positions apply for a waiver of that requirement, but I have no idea if they're going to waive that requirement. So I would be very uncertain around that. And unfortunately, yes, that's a problem. The next one, I intend to apply for permanent residence in a month's time, and do I fall under the new list or the old list? So similar question to before, very difficult answer. So about 4 days ago I would have said yes, you can, great, you can base it on the old list. Unfortunately now there seems to be some new interpretation coming out of the legal department of the Department of Home Affairs, indicating that permanent residence applicants must actually comply with the new list. Now, I personally would find this very harsh, because remember, a lot of people couldn't submit permanent residence for 2 years. So these rights are seriously infringed if Home Affairs sticks to this opinion. I would find that, yeah, really, really harsh, and I hope they're still retracting that opinion and maybe rolling it out more in line with the wording of Directive number 1 of 2022, which is quite open, I would say, indicating that you could apply actually for permanent residence based on the old list. So this is an open topic. There is no clear answer to it yet. I hope Home Affairs brings out a clarification in favor of the applicants for a change and not to the disadvantage of foreigners. But stay tuned, tune into our channels. We will update you soon. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Bye-bye.